So here's what happened. Last Monday, my team and I, we were on a Team Maria call. We have a weekly Team Maria meeting. And one of the topics we always talk about every single week is how we can make our Get Clients Now program better for our students. One of the things that came up is how often our students need coaching on creating a good offer. So one of our coaches, Coach Haley, if you are in the Get Clients Now program, you know Coach Haley, she mentioned that this was something that she was constantly helping students with. She was constantly helping them create a good offer. And it's something that I noticed as well. I feel like a lot of people have a big gap in their knowledge when it comes to creating an irresistible offer, an offer that actually sells. So we decided to make a video specifically on this topic to help y'all make offers that sell like hotcakes, right? Because it's not that complicated once you know what the heck you're doing. In case you don't know what an offer is, let's make sure we define that. Basically, it's the product or service you're selling. It's the thing you're offering in exchange for money. When you describe your offer, if it's an irresistible offer to your ideal clients, they should say, hell yes, I'm in, sign me up, where's the link to pay? So there's a lot of people that don't have an offer like that. Most people don't have offers like that. There's a big gap. They get ghosted, they hear a lot of no's, they have to follow up 100 times. And I wanna fix that in this video. I wanna actually show you how to create an offer that easily sells significantly. Basically, here's what you need to do. There's 5 questions that you need to ask and answer in order to make sure your offer will actually sell with ease. And in this video, I'm going to give you those 5 questions you need to ask. And when you're done, you'll know whether or not you have an offer that will actually sell. I'm just going to read them off here and we're going to go through them one at a time. First question number 1 is, does this offer actually solve a real problem? Okay. I'm going to give it to you straight. A lot of you guys are trying to sell things that it's not solving real problems. And so they work so hard to sell these offers that don't solve real problems. And the thing is, those offers are never going to sell because people are never going to pay to solve that problem. So I have a super cool method in the Get Clients Now program that teaches my students how to make sure their offers will actually solve problems. But if you aren't in the program yet, here's what you need to do. Just look around. Do you see other people actually selling offers like yours? How much are they making per year? And by the way, just because somebody is posting about an offer online doesn't mean they're actually selling it. You should message that person and say, hey, like I noticed you're also selling a mindset coaching package for women who are just had a kid. I'm making that up because I'm borrowed, have a kid. How many of those are you selling per month, right? Like do the research to see if people are actually selling that. If your offer isn't solving a real problem, you're going to struggle to sell it. And if you're a Get Clients Now student, go to pillar 1 and do the thing that I taught you how to do in pillar 1, because that's going to ensure that it solves a real problem and will sell. Question number 2, am I charging the right price for this offer? So let's say you've done something that 80% of people won't even do, which is get past the first question, which is an offer that solves the real problem. So now you've advanced to stage 2, question number 2. Good job. Second question is, am I charging the right price point? Pricing is an energy exchange, okay? You have to feel good about it and your clients have to feel good about it. So I can't tell you what to charge. It's very dependent on your industry and who you are. But what I'll tell you is that in the Get Clients Now program, we have often made a simple tweak to the pricing structure and the student's offer instantly flies off the shelf. And in my experience, charge too much, it won't sell. Charge too little, it won't sell. And so pricing is the next thing you got to figure out. Am I charging the right price point? So my offer flies off the shelf. Let's say you advance to the third question. Question number 3 is, do they want what they will get? Basically, is what you've included a good fit for your target market? And I want to give you an example of that so you know what I'm talking about. Let's say you are a parent coach, okay? But you are selling daily coaching calls that happen at 3 p.m. Well, for a lot of people, especially here in the US, as a parent, 3 p.m. is about when I go to pick my kids up from school. So if you're going to be a parenting coach and you're having coaching calls that are hosted at 3 p.m., I don't want that. That's not helpful. If the deliverables are a bad fit for your market, you will never sell. And that's another thing we help our students fix in the Get Clients Now program. Question number 4, can you clearly articulate the value of your offer? Can you clearly define and explain why what you're selling is valuable, why there will be a return on that investment? My uncle-in-law, he runs an entire very successful business teaching people how to make their value clear. So he's been doing this very successfully for decades because even large companies struggle to communicate their value. And if you can't even clearly explain why they should buy this, if you can't explain it, how can you expect them to know why they should buy it? Final question, question number 5. Do you like what's included in your offer? Do you like it? If you feel insanely good about your offer, you will sell it. Period, end of story. The question number 5 almost trumps every other question. Period, end of story. If you like it, it will sell. Someone once said, I think it was Alex Hormozy, but I don't remember who it was. He says that sales is a transference of belief. If you believe, they will believe. And if you truly believe in your offer, you will sell it. In the kindest way possible, I am genuinely shocked when people don't buy the Get Clients Now program. Like when they choose to not get, it's $200 a month. But for right now, it's $200 a month for daily business coaching calls. Like, to me, it blows my mind. I would have killed to have that when I was just getting started. And I see success story after success story after success story after success story in the Get Clients Now program. And I truly know it's a life-changing program. And so I love what I have in my offer and I feel really good about it. And so it sells like hotcakes. We have close to 100 new students who join us every single month because I love what's in the program. I feel good about it. And so it sells really easy because it's a great offer and because I really believe it. I know that not only am I solving real problems, not only is it things they want, I'm clearly articulating the value. That's a good walkthrough. That's a good explanation of the 5 questions that you need to answer if you want to create a really good offer. Now, if you want help with this, if you're feeling like, okay, well, pricing is like confusing to me, or I just want somebody to look at my offer and see if it's actually good, that's exactly what we do in the Get Clients Now program. So if you want to check that out and learn a little bit more about what it could look like for me to be your business coach and show you how to get clients, go to mariawendt.com/program. All the details are there. I'd love to see you on the inside. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a like if it was helpful. Be sure to click subscribe. We make videos 3 times a week because I really want more women to be millionaires. If I'm being honest with you, that's why I do it. Right now, of all the entrepreneurs who hit 7 figures, only 1.7% of them are women. And I really believe that's my life's work to help fix that number. So I'll see you on the inside of the Get Clients Now program and then in the next video.